you've made the right choice in expanding the printing capabilities of your Brady printer with Brady Workstation software. To make the transition from LabelMark to Brady Workstation easier, we've created easy-to-follow videos that highlight the differences in the software. Now, let's run through the templates. In LabelMark, you created templates by selecting Create New Template, then selecting Line or Graphics mode. On the template, you could add two types of objects: locked objects by adding an object and checking Locked, and placeholder objects by adding an object, naming them, and populating them with a specific number of characters. Then, to create labels from a template, you click Create New Label from a Template, and the same editor window open, but with the editing tools disabled. In Brady Workstation, you create product label templates in Custom Designer and wire label templates in Text Labels. On the templates, you can add three types of objects, each with improvements over LabelMark. Locked objects are called static locked objects. Placeholder objects now include hint text to provide direction on what to populate the field with at the time of printing, and text size is adjusted to fit the box. New is the ability to add a pick list object, which will provide a list of selectable options at the time of printing. Then, to create labels from a template, you simply open a template file using the Print Partner app, which provides an enhanced template printing experience. By identifying placeholder and pick lists by encompassing them with a blue box, and data entered can apply to a single label or be cascaded to that object on all labels. For simple, efficient, and flexible label creation, upgrade to Brady Workstation today. Visit our website for more details.